Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss NEET Biology MCQs 2025 part 3rd. Telomere are synthesized by option A DNA polymerase, B RNA polymerase, C DNA ligase, option D telomerase. Correct option is D telomerase. The most stable ecosystem is correct option is B ocean. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. In an ecosystem, the standing crop is measured in terms of correct option is B biomass or number. XC2 conservation strategy includes correct option is C cryopreservation. The Montreal Protocol is related to correct option is A ozone layer protection. The effect of DDT on birds is correct option is B 10 eggshells. A climax community is correct option is C final stable community. Energy transfer between trophic levels is approximately correct option is C 10%. Biomagnification is correct option is B accumulation of non-biodegradable toxin. The ozone layer is mainly present in correct option is B stratosphere. Golden rice is rich in correct option is A vitamin A. PCR involves correct option is A denaturation, annealing and extension. The first genetically modified insulin was produced in so the correct option is B E. coli. Splicing occurs in correct option is D hnRNA. In gene electrophoresis, DNA fragments move towards correct option is C anode due to negative charge. Gene regulation in prokaryotes is mostly at correct option is C transcriptional level. In the genetic code, which codon does not code for any amino acid? Correct option is C UGA. The bar body is found in correct option is B Klinefelter male. The role of DNA ligase in recombinant DNA technology is to correct option is C. Join DNA fragments. In a di-hybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio 9:7 indicates correct option is D. Complementary genes. Which of the following diseases is caused by an autosomal recessive mutation? Thank you for watching my videos.